Welcome back. This week we have been learning in maths all about how to divide by 10 and 100. On the board you see an example of dividing by 10. Remember, when we divide by 10, each digit shifts one place value to the right. As you can see, I start with my original number, 73. I have 3 in the ones and I have 7 in the tens. When I divide it by 10, my 3 in the ones moves into the tens column and my 7 in the tens column moves into the ones column, giving me the answer 7.3. Remembering that I have my decimal place. When I divide by 100, as you can see in the example on the screen, I have to move 2 place value places to the right. The number gets smaller. As you can see with my example, I start with 342. So my 2 is in the ones column. And if I move it 2 place value places to the right, it then moves to the tenths and then finally ends up 2 place values in the hundredths. My 4 or 40 in the tens moves to the ones and then the tenths column. And then finally the hundreds moves to the tens and then the ones column, giving me the answer 3.42. Why not have a go at trying to divide by 10 and 100, drawing a place value chart of your own? In English, we have been looking at a battle cry speech, an example of a piece of persuasive writing. And in particular, we have been focusing on rhetorical questions. There are 3 main reasons that we may well use a rhetorical question, a question that does not require an answer. It can be used to make a point. It can be used to start a discussion. And finally, can create a tone in a piece of writing. We saw lots of examples in the battle cry speech that we had, trying to persuade the different villagers to join the tribe and beat the Tyrannoflax. It makes the reader think and also tries to hook in the reader further and try to guilt trip them into joining the tribe and supporting their queen of the village. There are also some other features of persuasive writing. This could be reasons to support the viewpoint, reasons, for example, to defeat the Tyrannoflax. There may be facts and evidence to support the opinion. We've seen lots of examples of powerful adjectives in our work. It may well include rhetorical questions, emotive language, a language that affects the reader, that creates and helps them feel emotion towards it, maybe making them feel upset. It may well include alliteration, possibly repetition, and may well include imperative verbs, verbs that tell you to do something. Join the tribe. Join is an example of an imperative verb because it is telling you to do an action.